Hey everyone, we're back with Release Fridays. Every Friday, we're going to be sharing our latest, greatest new product development updates, feature releases with you, our customers. My name is Ryan. I'm the CEO and founder here at Upkeep. And this week, we've got a ton of incredible, awesome new updates to share with you all.
Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Natasha, joining from the product team.
All right, good to have you here, Natasha. The team has been hard at work in delivering some new features and products, which ultimately translates into more value to you, our customers. I'm excited to highlight some of the newest releases that we've made over the last 2 weeks. Over the last 2 weeks, we've made some incredible new updates to mobile for our asset-intensive customers that want more granular asset management features right from your mobile devices. That's where Upkeep started. That's where we continue to go, is build on the mobile device. We're building to make asset management easy from wherever you are, which oftentimes means not sitting in front of a desktop. So you're going to start seeing more and more asset management features directly from your mobile device in our application on iOS and Android. On top of that, we've made some incredible new enhancements to our web experience to make your job easier for the administrative side. We've enhanced our preventive maintenance schedules and also built out much more granular permissions for custom roles. We know that every business operates just a little bit differently. So now you can actually start to see more granular permissions for which users can actually edit, view, delete, and also create. So if you haven't taken a look at custom roles, it's actually part of our Business Plus plan where you can start to create, customize your own roles for your team. So next, I'm going to pass the baton over to Natasha, who's actually going to showcase and share and demo exactly how all of this works right there in our Upkeep application.
Great. Thank you, Ryan. We're going to start with the asset enhancements we've made to our mobile apps. So I'm going to go ahead and drill into a specific work order here. And then we're going to come up to the top left on the filter section. So what we're now going to see, if we scroll down to assets, is we have a new capability, a new toggle here that you see around auto-selecting children. So I'll go ahead and turn that on and off again just for visibility. So what's going to happen here when we pick the parent asset, you can see on our top asset here, Colorado History Museum, that we've got 5 children assets. And we're going to go ahead and auto-select all of those for visibility. So just a nice way to help your team better understand more easily exactly like what parent and child assets they have available to them. Okay, next we're going to hop over to our web app. And the first enhancement we're going to look at here is around our import and export data for preventive maintenance. So if you're not familiar, we made quite a few enhancements earlier this year here. There's 2 different ways you can import and export data. So one is through CSV or spreadsheet file, and then the second is within a wizard. So I'm going to go ahead and head to the wizard. We're going to go all the way towards the end, and we're looking for this checklist ID column. So a lot of our customers that are using preventive maintenance, you often have multiple checklists associated with each PM. So we just wanted to make it a lot easier to do bulk edits and updates across multiple at one time. So just a friendly reminder, the easiest way to find an individual ID for a checklist is if you come into a specific checklist, it's really this last string of digits in the URL. So I'm going to go ahead and grab those. And we now have the ability, you can go ahead and just do a comma-separated delineation. So you can do this again in either the spreadsheet import, or you can go ahead and do it directly in-app as well. Okay, the next feature that we're going to look at is our custom roles. So this is another one. If you're not familiar, we made quite a few improvements this year as well. I just went into our settings section, and now we're going to look at user roles. So we have our 6 standard user roles that we ship out of the box available, but we also now have the ability to create a custom role. So, every organization just maybe has a little bit of different needs. You can tailor these very specifically to your use case. So down here, we've now added the ability to do work requests as part of the custom roles. So in summary, just to quickly recap, we went through viewing child assets through the mobile app filters. We also looked at the bulk edits for PM checklists. And then finally, we covered the new capabilities around custom roles for work requests. And that's it until next time.
All right, some pretty sweet new features. Thank you to everyone, and thank you to all of our customers and the entire Upkeep team. The entire team has been hard at work in building to deliver more features, new enhancements, and we've got some more incredible new releases lined up for the rest of this year. We're not slowing down. So hope to see you next Friday. Thank you again.
Thank you, everyone.